Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're about to record. First, verify you're the meeting organizer or assigned presenter, because only those roles can start recording. Once done, make sure cloud storage, OneDrive, or SharePoint is available and that participants consent to recording. Say it aloud so everyone knows. Open the meeting controls, mute unnecessary mics, and choose the camera and mic you want. Now you're ready to begin the recording process and capture a clean, authorized session. Click More Actions and select Start Recording. Teams will notify participants and begin saving the file to the group's OneDrive or SharePoint folder. If you want searchable text, also select Start Transcription so captions and a transcript are generated. During the session, watch the red recording indicator and check participants' audio levels, mute noisy lines, or ask people to use headsets. If you switch presenters or share different content, stop and restart recording to create separate clips for clarity. When the meeting ends or you're done, click Stop Recording. Teams finalizes and uploads the file automatically, then posts it in the meeting chat and the recordings folder. Make sure to download or share the link with stakeholders and adjust permissions if external viewers need access. If the recording doesn't appear, check storage quota, retention policies, or whether you had the correct role. Also confirm transcription finished. As a quick fix, recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.